morning from Madison, New Hampshire. Seems to be another nice day here. The sun is out and things like that. Now there's a little parking area up for Little Pea Porridge Pond over there. I saw a tractor plowing that out this morning. So I'm going to take a little walk up there and see if there's a possible spot to launch my drone. I mean, I'm supposed to be going home right now, but if I have a chance to get a quick flight in before I do, I might try to take it here. So first, we have some ice here that snow that we got yesterday changed to rain at the tail end there, and things got a little slippery here, so I'm going to see if there's any ice melt in this ice melt bucket here. It's also ice over. Hold on, I'm going to put the camera down. We got some ice melt. Alright, let's see what we can do here. We're doing a lot of walking in this area here because I got to bring all my stuff back to my truck here. That whole place is a big sheet of ice. Oi. Alright, let's put this cup back. Yeah, let's go see what the spot looks like. Or even bother pulling out the drone. Otherwise, I'm just going to go get packed up and head home. It's that time. Definitely a nice neighborhood here, though. It's quiet most of the time. I guess in the summertime it can get rather busy by the beach here. Let's see. And yes. Yes, I can launch my drone here. Just gotta be careful of those trees right there. Kind of close to them. But I should be able to get up and get a good aerial view of the place. So yeah, let's do that. Let's launch the drone. And here it's a little bit breezy out, but it's not too bad. Alright, finally got the drone up. Been a while since I've flown. Actually, I gotta practice again because I was having troubles remembering the controls. So it's been a while since I've had that drone up in the air, so we're gonna work on that when we get back home again. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little bit of footage there. Nothing too exciting, but some good views of Mount Washington and that from here, so. Anyway, I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the place I'm staying at here. So this is the main entrance area you see when you first come in. You can see I got my stuff staged here to go back in the truck right now because I'm getting ready to head home. You go up these stairs here. And this is the main living space here. You got a nice big table here. You have a big group here. Got a full kitchen. Gas stove, dishwasher, nice big microwave, coffee maker, double sink. Fully equipped with dishes and everything else here. All kinds of pots and pans to cook with. Refrigerator has plenty of room in there. In the freezer. If you bring a cooler along, you can refreeze your ice packs. Got the living room space over here. You got that awesome gas stove, which puts out a lot of heat. So if you're up here in the wintertime, it's great. That switch there, it comes right on. There's also a remote for it. You got a TV, comes with cable TV, it's got internet, it's got a smart TV, it comes with Netflix and Disney Plus, so you can watch movies on it while you're here. Nice comfortable couches and everything else. Got a full bath with a shower and everything in it, bathtub. All the facilities you need. Here, this is the master bedroom. Don't mind the bed, that's where I was sleeping. Plenty of bureau space and everything. Back downstairs is 3 more bedrooms. See, none of the beds down here are made at the moment because I was the only person here, so we didn't bother setting those up. But you got 3 bedrooms here. This one here is kind of storing stuff on the bed right now, all the blankets for the things. I can't even see it here. There we go. So 3 bedrooms. You also have a little bit of a game room over here. So you have books and puzzles and board games and things like that. A table for people to sit on here. So the place is pretty well equipped. Here, let's take a quick step outside. It's great in the wintertime, great in the summertime. You got little pea porridge pond right across the road from here. Plenty of room here. You can park a trailer with snowmobiles in the wintertime if you need to. There's a deck out there, but it's not shoveled off, so I can't really show you that at all. But there is a deck you can use in the summertime. He's got kayaks here. Not a bad little place. And the Wolfeneer looks very happy here. It's time to start packing the truck up and get ready to head home. It's that time. So, gonna load the stuff up. I'm gonna stop someplace and grab a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna make the trek back home again. So I am on my way out. Just finished packing everything up, locked the door behind myself, locked the key inside, and now I'm gonna start heading home. I'm actually gonna have my gas level. Okay, more than half a tank. We got plenty of gas. I'm gonna actually stop at the community market and deli. They serve food there, so I'm going to get myself something to eat before going home, because I haven't even had breakfast yet, and it's already 12:15, so time to go get something to eat. So that's going to be my next stop. Alright, I'm at the community market and deli area here, and just picked up some, well, I ended up getting lunch, because breakfast is no longer available, so got myself a grilled cheese sandwich and some fries, so. And to get a little extra caffeine since I only had 1 cup of coffee, a Frappuccino, so that'll get me through the ride home, so. It was a fun adventure here. So time to head back now. Oh boy, was that an adventure getting home today. No major traffic problems at all on the highway at all. I get off the highway in my hometown. Man, that was the worst part of the whole drive. It's just the last stretch. But I'm home. This adventure is done. Shut that other radio off here. There we go. The adventure is done. I'm home. Time to go check in with my kitties and that. So, thanks for coming along. Remember, slow down and enjoy life, and we'll talk to you guys later.